Have you ever felt that midweek slump? A little bit tired, a little bit sluggish, and you know you could use a boost? We see those trendy little wellness shots in cafes and grocery stores, and they promise the world. But they also come with a pretty hefty price tag. What if I told you that you can make an even better, fresher, and more powerful version right at home for a fraction of the cost? Lemon ginger shots. This isn't just a recipe, it's a game changer for your daily routine. We're talking about a natural energy lift, glowing skin, a happy digestive system, and a seriously fortified immune system to help you fight off anything that comes your way. So if you're ready to invest just 10 minutes to feel fantastic all week, you're in the right place. All right, let's talk about our 3 simple yet powerful ingredients. First up, the star of the show, fresh ginger. When you're at the store, look for ginger root that's firm with smooth skin. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which is a powerhouse anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It's what gives the shot that signature spicy kick and works wonders for digestion and nausea. Next, we have our vibrant lemons. These are packed with vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for a strong immune system and for producing the collagen that keeps our skin looking bright and youthful. We're using the whole lemon, peel and all, to get every last drop of goodness. And finally, simple distilled or filtered water. Using good quality water just ensures our final shot is as pure as possible. Now, building powerful daily habits like this is the absolute key to long-term health. And if you're loving this idea and want a complete, easy-to-follow plan to really accelerate your wellness goals, I highly recommend the 21-Day Smoothie Diet. It's an incredible program that takes all the guesswork out of healthy eating and can help you see amazing results in just 3 weeks. It's the perfect next step to complement these daily shots. I've left a special link for you to learn more about it right at the top of the description below. Okay, first, give your ingredients a good wash. Then you'll start by roughly chopping your ginger and lemons. Don't worry about making the pieces perfect. The blender will do all the hard work for us. A quick pro tip for peeling ginger. Instead of a knife, use the edge of a spoon. It scrapes the skin right off without wasting any of the precious root underneath. It's a simple trick that makes the process so much faster. Once everything is chopped, toss it all into your blender. Add 1 cup of that distilled water, pop the lid on tight, and let it rip. You'll want to blend it for a good 45 to 60 seconds. We really want to break down all those tough ginger fibers to extract as much of the potent juice as we can. Okay, once it's blended into this beautiful, fragrant, vibrant liquid, we have one crucial step left: straining. This is the secret to getting that silky, smooth texture, just like the expensive store-bought shots. Pour the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or a cheesecloth into a bowl or a pitcher. Gently press down on the pulp with a spoon to squeeze out every last drop of that liquid gold. And look at that, your very own wellness shots. I love pouring these into small, pre-portioned glass bottles. It makes grabbing one in the morning super convenient. They'll stay fresh and potent in your fridge for about 5 days. But wait, don't throw away the pulp in the strainer. We're all about no waste here. You can spoon this pulp into an ice cube tray and freeze it. These little cubes are perfect for adding a zesty kick to your morning tea, a smoothie, or even a glass of sparkling water. The moment of truth. The best way to take this is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It's spicy, it's zesty, and it will definitely wake you up. It's a shot of pure energy. Cheers! Oh, what do you think? Are you ready to give this a try? If you make these, I would absolutely love to hear about it. Leave a comment below and let me know if you added any fun twists, like a pinch of cayenne or turmeric. And of course, if you found this helpful and want more easy recipes to boost your health, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a thing. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.